Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're navigating the world of online banking in 2025, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through a simple, step-by-step guide on how to send money from PayPal to your PNC bank account. This process has gotten even smoother with the latest updates, making it perfect for freelancers, shoppers, or anyone managing their finances digitally. Let's dive in. First off, ensure you have both a PayPal account and a PNC bank account set up. If your bank isn't linked to PayPal yet, that's step 1. Log into your PayPal account using your email and password, or biometrics if you're on the 2025 app version. Once you're in, head to the Wallet section or search for Transfer Funds. PayPal's interface might have evolved, but it's user-friendly. Next, select Transfer to Bank Account. If PNC Bank isn't listed, you'll need to add it. Click on Link a Bank and enter your account details, like your routing number and account number. PayPal uses advanced security features in 2025, so rest easy knowing your info is protected. Now, enter the amount you want to transfer. Take a moment to check for any fees. Standard transfers are often free, but instant ones might cost a small amount. Double-check everything to avoid mistakes. Hit Confirm, and voila, your transfer is on its way. A quick tip. Transfers to PNC Bank usually take 1 to 3 business days, so plan ahead if you need the funds quickly. If you run into issues, like verification errors, head to PayPal's Help Center or contact PNC support. They're equipped with AI chatbots now for faster resolutions. And there you have it. You've just mastered sending money from PayPal to PNC Bank in 2025. This method is a game changer for seamless financial management. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.